Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma inspected the new assembly building construction and Mawdiangdiang, emphasizing green design and cultural heritage. Accompanied by state government officials, Sangma reviewed progress and stressed timely completion. He expressed satisfaction with the overall progress, noting some delays. The initial completion target of September 30th, 2024 may be pushed back by a month. Thomas Sangma also highlighted the importance of harmony with the natural environment and instructed departments to incorporate green spaces. He also directed the Arts and Culture Department to design interiors showcasing Meghalaya's story and history.
Today, we had conducted a joint inspection of this ongoing Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building to review the progress of the work, and we find that the progress is good, though a little slow, but the progress is overall progress is very good. We are very satisfied. I have called various departments like the Forest Department and the Horticultural Department to see that the entire premises of this complex are made green as much as possible, because we require the green area, so we want to restore the green part as much as possible. So I have asked, we have asked the Department of Forest Department, Social Forestry Wing, and the Horticulture Department also to jointly inspect and see what kind of greenery could be restored in this complex. Number two, I have also asked the Art and Culture Department, since almost more than 90% works are completed as far as the right wing and the left wing is concerned. So we have asked the Art and Culture Department to design the interiors along the hallways, the corridors, and also the reception areas on the ground floor and on the reception areas of the first floor. So they will, in the first floor, they will try to enact a story of Meghalaya in the reception area of the Legislative Assembly, and also in the ground floor, they will try to put a story of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly over all these last 51 years. So these are basically the things, and the meeting was very successful, and I am very happy that I am getting the cooperation of all the various departments that are doing, especially the PWD department, their building department. They are doing a very, good job of ensuring the building is completed at the possible timeline, and also I would say they have been very active over all these years to ensure that there's no more accidents happen, as I would say, God forbid, and also the safety of the building is ensured. The workforce was not up to the mark. There were people here in the work site were very less. Now sufficient workforce is there, and some more are coming, because this, as you can see behind me, the dome, the spire which will be covering the main assembly hall, so it's being under construction. This kind of construction needs special expertise and special skilled people. So they are, half of them are already on the way, and some more are coming by today. So from tomorrow or day after onwards, they can start full swing. Yes, I would love to have it at the earliest possible. The earlier timeline that was given was September 30th. But as we can see, we are lagging behind that timeline. So maybe they will require 1 more month at the most, 1 more month.